Good morning students. Today we will discuss about chapter 17 volume and surface area of solids. Yesterday we will discuss and we will done chapter 16 area of trapezium and polygon. Now solids are in so many shapes like cuboid, cube, cylinder. So if we want to find area and volume of these solids, how we can find out? See here, if we see our cuboid like this, if we assume it is our cuboid, then in these we have 6 faces. One is top, second one in bottom, front face, back face and right and left side. Total we have 6 faces. Then area of one face, length into breadth, area of second face, length into height, area of third face, length into breadth, area of fourth face, length into height, area of fifth face, length into breadth into height, and sixth face also breadth into height. So if we add all these faces, then we got it total surface area. We write total surface area. And total surface area, first we read about the cuboid. Then in the cuboid we have 3 dimensions. One is length, second one is breadth and third one is height. So total surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 bracket length multiplied by breadth plus breadth multiplied by height plus height multiplied by length. Understand? Now if we want to find cover surface area of this cuboid, then cover surface CSA of the cuboid is these 4 sides, not all side. We want to find only 6 sides. So if we want to find cover surface area of cuboid, then we find out CSA cover surface area. Then we write 2 bracket L plus B multiplied by height. So if in the questions given that find the surface area, it means we want to find cover total surface area. If in the questions given that find the area of 4 walls, then area of 4 walls also represented by 2 bracket L plus B into H. We can also say CSA is the area of 4 walls. So area of 4 walls also 2 bracket L plus B multiplied by H. Similarly, if we want to find area of cube, so we know that in the cube all sides are equal. So if we represent it by A, then breadth also A and height also A. Then TSA of cuboid represented by A cube. A cube, it means TSA 6A square. TSA of the cube is 6A square, and we also can say 6 multiplied by side square. CSA 4A square, it means 4 multiplied by side square. If we want to find volume, then volume of the cube is A cube, it means side cube. Okay, then these 3 formulas for cube and these 3 formulas, total surface area of cuboid, cover surface area of cube and volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is L multiplied by B multiplied by H. So using these two dimensions, cube and cuboid, we can find out TSA, CSA volume, TSA, CSA volume of cube. And when we find out volume of cube, when we find out TSA and CSA of cube, according to questions, if we want to find capacity of the shape, otherwise we want to fill the shape, like if we have a tank in the shape of cuboid, now we want to fill this tank with water, then we find out volume of the cuboid. If we make any shape, like if we make a cuboid by a paper, then we require the area of cube. See our questions in exercise 6th A, sorry, in exercise 17th A, if you will see, then here some questions are given like this. First question, find the total surface area. Here given that only surface area, and surface area always represent the total surface area. So here length is 10 centimeter, breadth 20 centimeter, and height 10 centimeter. So TSA of cuboid is equal to 2 bracket length breadth plus breadth height plus height into length. If we just put the values of these three dimensions, then 2 bracket 10 multiplied 20 plus 20 multiplied by 10 plus 10 multiplied by 10. Then we got it 200 here. First we will do multiplication, then we add the terms. Then multiplications are here 200 plus 100. Total 500 multiplied by 2, 1000 centimeter square. Remember that unit of the area always in square unit. If here given that centimeter, then centimeter square. If here given that meter, then meter square. Okay students. Now if dimensions will be changed, like if length is 1 by 2, breadth is 6 and height is 7 1 by 2. In the fractions or mixed fractions, if the dimensions are given, then first we convert these dimensions in improper fraction. How we will convert? See here, 5 2 ja 10 or 1, 11 by 2, 6 as it is, 7 1 by 2, 7 2 ja 14, 1, 15 by 2. If we put these values here, then two bracket length is given 11 by 2 multiply breadth is given 6 plus breadth is 6, height is 15 by 2 plus height is 15 by 2, length is 11 by 2. So if we multiply, then 11 6 ja 66 plus 15 6 ja 90 upon 2 plus 11 5 ja 55, 11 1 ja 11 or 5, 16 upon 4. Now if we take LCM here, then 4 is the LCM, then 66 2 ja 6 2 ja 12, 60 ja 12 plus 92 ja 180 plus 165. Now if we add 132 plus 180 plus 165, then we got it here 2 plus 5 7, 3, 8, 11 or 6, 17, carry 1, 471. Then we got it 2 multiply 471 upon 4. Now, if we cancel out by 2, then 2 2 ja 4 and divide by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10.5 centimeter square. So, using this formula we can find out surface area of the cube or cuboid. How? See here, if here dimensions are only side is given, then it is the shape of cube. Like if side is equals to 5 centimeter, if L is equals to 12 centimeter, it is our first part, it is our second part, 1.2. Third part, if dimensions are in fraction 1 upon 2. Now here we want to find out TSA of cube. So how to find TSA? See here, TSA of cube six a square is equals to 6 multiplied by a is given how much? 5. Then 5 square, 6 multiplied by 25, 25 6 ja 150. So our TSA is 150 centimeter square. In the second part, TSA of cube is 6 a square, 6 multiplied by 1.2 whole square, 6 multiplied by 1.44 is equals to 6 4 ja 24, 6 4 ja 24, 6 1 ja 6, 8.64 centimeter square. Understand? If we want to find third part, then TSA of cube 6 a square, 6 bracket 1 upon 2 whole square, 6 multiplied by 1 upon 4, 3 2 ja 2 2 ja, then 3 upon 2, 1.5 centimeter square. So using these three methods we can find out TSA of cube. Why? Because sides are given in simple number, decimal or fractions. Different types of the sides are given, then we can calculate TSA of cube. Now let assume that if side is not given and TSA of the cube is given, like if TSA of cube is 96 centimeter square. Here we want to find out side of the cube. So we know that side of the cube is, sorry, TSA of cube is 6a square and it is given 96. Then a square is equals to 96 upon 6, 16, a square is equals to 4 square, then a is equals to 4 centimeter. So we can reverse of that questions. If TSA of the cube or cuboid is given, then we can calculate length or breadth also. If in the questions TSA of the cube, otherwise TSA of the cuboid is given and one dimension is missing, it is height or breadth or length, then we can find out this dimension. Now next question, Let assume we want to make a box in the shape of cuboid whose length is 10, breadth is 5 and height is 8 centimeter. We want to make a box with cardboard whose length is 10, height is 8 and breadth is 5 centimeter, and the cost of making this box is 4 centimeter square, 4 rupees centimeter square. Okay, then how we will calculate total cost of the making this box? So if we want to find total cost, then first we find total surface area. So total surface area is 2 bracket length multiply by breadth plus breadth multiply by height plus height multiply by length, then 2 bracket L multiply by B, 10 multiply by 5 plus 5 multiply by 8, breadth multiply by height plus height multiply by length. Then we can go to 50 plus 8 5 ja 40 plus 8 10 ja 80. Then 50 plus 40 90 plus 80 170 और 17 2 जा 34 centimeter square. Till here only we find out TSA of cuboid. Now we want to find cost of making this TSA, then total cost is equal to 4 multiply by our area, we got it 340, then we multiply by 340 centimeter square. So we got it 0 4 4 ja 16 carry 1 3 4 ja 12 1 13 rupees. So using these examples or these type of questions, we can solve complete exercise 17A. You try it, solve this. If you have any doubts, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp group, study group, otherwise on Scholar ERPF. Thank you students. Do this exercise complete 17A.